This is the mark scheme to question 2 on the 2014 GCSE mock. Option question, either or. Clearly, please do not do both. Please take a look at the two questions referring to either the SA between 1923 and 1924 or the SS between 1934 and 1935. Read the question twice as per your instructions and understand the task that's being asked of you. Choose one and explain the importance of that group's work for the success of the Nazi Party. Therefore, your analysis at the end of each of the two paragraphs that you're going to need to write is, and this explains why the group was important in the success of the Nazis, because, an attempt to quantify the importance. Okay? Obviously, your answer to each of these questions has to be relevant to the dates provided. Any evidence that you provide that falls outside of these dates is not relevant and therefore cannot be marked. And one more time, a 9-mark question will require 2 PEA paragraphs that clearly answer the question at the end of each paragraph, and additionally, ideally, will be ranked a most important reason and a second important reason, and if you can link the two features, even better. And that is the kind of discipline that we are looking for you to plan for before you put pen to paper. Okay, so the descriptors. Level 1, 1 to 3 marks. Generalized statements with little specific content. The candidate offers generalized comments which could apply to either group. E.g., the SA helped Hitler come to power, or they were Hitler's private army. Simple facts, no development. Level 2. A descriptive answer in which will state but not examine the importance. So essentially the point and the evidence. Going beyond level 1 but not answering the question which explains why they were important in the success of the party. E.g., describes how the SA was involved in the Munich Putsch, broke up meetings, bullied people, attacked Jews, or describes how the SS destroyed the SA, crushed opposition in Germany and occupied areas, or controlled the police, or ran the camps. It's clearly better evidence than level 1, but it doesn't explicitly answer the question. The P, the E, and the A. This explains why they were important because. It's basic PEA that you have been doing since year 7. Level 3. The focus is on the significance of the group. In other words, both paragraphs use the evidence to explicitly, clearly answer the question, and this explains why they were significant in the rise of the Nazis because. E.g., explains how the SA were instrumental in Hitler's rise to power as they dealt with opponents and ensured election victories. In other words, they tell me what they did and then tell me how that led to the success of the Nazis. They actually answer the question. So look at your answer and identify the analysis and identify how clearly and how informedly you answer the question.